Hello, good morning. This video is going to show you how we can increase the version number in Excel for a list of documents. I downloaded this list as demonstration from this website, Quality Assurance. Okay, and now suppose that you have these documents and with the version number, and suppose that because I'm also an auditor and I will have to review the version number of our clients every year. And suppose that my last year's record and for this year, maybe they have already upgraded B and they maybe with D and that maybe even to a much to E. Then I have to update one by one. Of course, I can use voice input when I am at home, but in the client's area, it's not so good, and normally I have to type it. And there are two problems with typing. One is it's not very easy to type, and the other it may have some errors in typing. Suppose that I may type B here. That is not reasonable because C you cannot have come back to the earlier version. So it's much better to use VBA to help you. For that, I can fire up my EPA. Suppose that's just for argument, just for demonstration. I can know what the value here at the selection. Okay, what is the A? Then the next one I can do is to convert it to a number, and that called a number. And my trick is that I can increase that number plus 1 and then wrap it with another function called 6R. Then you have the B here. Okay, this means the concept is simple, and that means that I can write my VBA now. Okay, I would show the bigger font for tool here. Option, editor format, general editor. Yes, I make increase the size to 16 perhaps. Okay, then you get easier to show it. So the VBA is simple. First I insert the module and a sub increase font. Sorry, increase version. Okay, and that is to increase version number of a document. Okay, and the date. Okay, now first of all, we got to dimension the version number as integer. So version number equal to selection equal to the version number SC selection, the mean the style of selection, and then the selection equal to 6R version number plus 1. So it's very simple. So we can try it and run it. Oh, okay, then run it. Run. Yeah, look at B here. And a 5. Of course, it's very complicated, inconvenient to have to press the key and so on. So you can actually go here and go to option and make a just I, for example, control I increase. Okay, stand for increase. So after time sure I can no, maybe there's some kind of conflict with my auto hotkey. Yes, now it could work. I just watch control capital I and then can increase it. Whenever I practice, I can continue increase. So, uh, yeah, if we increase one by one, I just press one time. At two, it increased by two, I just press twice, and that's it. There are two benefits for that. One is very convenient. It's a lot of fun to do that by programming. And the other thing, it will never make an error. I have typing a wrong version number that before adopted entered wrongly an earlier version number. It will never happen like that. So when your superior, when your supervisor reviews your report, there won't be any kind of mistakes that will be found out by him or her. Okay, that's it. And really, I like to use VBA to help my work, and that's the reason. Thank you for listening. Bye.